This is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 14. So we made it almost halfway, guys. I'm so proud of us. Today's baby step is going to be introducing a calendar into our toolkit of things that remind us of the things we need to do. So now we have our post-it notes, we have our control journal, and now we're introducing a calendar. And this can be a personal calendar that you just look at, or it can be a wall calendar that's up on the wall for your whole family to see. As women and as moms, I know there's a lot of things that we have to keep up with, whether it's appointments or whether it's kids' schedules and party invitations. And so this is a great place to keep everything and make sure we're staying on top of these new habits that we're forming and keeping up with everything that we need to and not relying on our minds to remember everything. And so I encourage you to make this fun, to use stickers, to use colored markers and pens. I'm a huge fan of bullet journaling, and make this something that you enjoy working on and enjoy looking at, because it is going to be something that we update weekly on Tuesdays, and we'll get into all this later, but on Tuesdays, FlyLady has a daily focus of plan and play. And so that's going to be the day that we spend looking ahead to see what we have going on that upcoming week and writing it down in our planner. And so that's our baby step for today. Follow me over on Instagram and show me pictures of, and tag me in pictures of your calendar that you made today. And I have a link below with a calendar I created with all these baby steps that you can print out and follow along. Subscribe to this channel as well to follow along to the 31 days of baby steps. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.